when it came out. Me and my little sister played it all the time, so it's gonna be throwback.
Did you guys play it for like the comedy value of it, or did you guys play it because you guys thought the story was actually really engaging?
Well, again, this is when the game came out, and this was like, again, what is it, like 2010-ish, right?
Yeah.
Give or take a year.
Mm-hmm.
And like back then, little like motherfucking
Little Babby Amber.
little babby me was like, oh dude, this story's so fucking good. Me and my little sister were like, oh my god, I love the story. And then it had glitches.
Oh yeah.
And I'm like, oh, that's even better. It's just like, there's two gold mines right there. And then I grew older, and I was like, I had the rage for the cage.
You see his eye.
It was just like,
Oh.
Okay,
I must wake.
I'm not gonna wake up. I'm not waking
Oh,
up.
thanks for watching our
Well,
Let's
this
Play
is a
Heavy
great
Rain. It didn't even rain yet.
To interact, make the... No, I don't want to get... Right
No.
stick. Okay.
You know what we should have done?
What?
We should have played this game in a different language, so we just said gibberish, and we're like,
Oh,
oh,
yeah.
fuck.
Play
Well,
it.
I've never... Oh,
Gotta
for
play
those
this
of
in
you...
French
Oh,
the
you
way it
gotta,
was intended.
okay, this is how you, no, stop. You have to, like, okay, how you play this
Oh
game.
yeah, you
how
gotta
you
go
play
slow.
this game right.
Go slow. Go slow.
How to play Heavy Rain is just to get up and sit back down. Just get up
Yeah.
and sit
Yeah.
back down.
Oh, okay.
Basically,
I'll keep that in mind.
how you play this, how you're supposed to play this game for the perfect run, platinum trophy.
Yes.
100%, 200%.
Am I playing it right?
No, you're supposed to do squats until the glutes are so defined
next
on
time,
this man.
Next time it does like a prompt where it tells you to move the stick to do something, just kind of like wiggle it back and
Yeah,
forth.
just do it a little lightly, because sometimes if you hold the button, you'll see it. It'll like shake on it. You can keep going. You'll
Yeah.
know what I mean.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, I am a normal human boy.
This
I
is
have
like
integrated
a,
well into society.
It's like a got.
Alright, go,
primitive-
man. Let's go.
It's got like a primitive way of using
What the
tank
f-
controls.
Yeah.
God damn.
You gotta hold
Yeah.
the R2 button.
Yeah.
I have to hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like you're a tank.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta hold it and then move. Hold
See,
R2. then
holding
move.
R2 was symbolically giving Ethan the will
Lars.
to move.
What the
Lars,
fuck?
hold R2.
You fucking
Hold
dumb,
it down.
You dumb baby
Oh,
bitch.
hold it down, then
it
move.
says hold the fucking button. What the
Jesus.
fuck are you doing?
Well, it had a fucking circle around it, so I thought it was
We're
one
not
of
even
the
playing
fucking
in a
control
different
sticks.
language.
Well, I don't even fucking play the fucking PS3.
Like maybe he's gonna look out. He's gonna look outside and,
Yeah,
and
just
think
let,
about
just let my
something.
balls hang out.
Freedom. It's just you hold triangle and he's thinking freedom.
It's like he's like got a tune in his head. He's like,
No. Do I just...
No.
there we go.
Okay.
And then you
Yeah, you
jam
just
it
cut
and
him.
you just rip off his fucking skin. Just shave it all off.
You're cutting him.
What
You
the...
gotta do it slowly.
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 You ever fucking read, Lars? You ever fucking read?
No.
Yeah, those glasses,
And-
goddamn, use them.
And slowly. And slowly.
This is-
Shave the stuff
Slow,
off.
slow.
What the fuck is this? Some sort of ASMR channel?
Slowly.
Too late.
Slowly.
Have you ever played you guys ever played what's that game?
There we go.
Monster.
I
Was it like Monster Island on the GameCube? Where it's like a bunch of mini games where you raise a monster and they look like fucking retards, and it's just like all the noises they make are. It's like a game where you make a monster, you do a bunch of mini games.
Look at that
And whenever you
handsome
fail, it
boy.
just says sorry, try again.
The best QTEs that you can fail are the ones where
I
you're.
hate this osteoporosis, this fibromyalgia, this arthritis. Everything's so much more difficult. I can't.
Here we go.
Oh
Here
yeah,
we
look
go.
at that angle. You gotta get okay. Post camera zoom in on this on this face.
Just how...
See how his body just stops.
He's just like... Do I really want to fucking do this?
You're gonna later
See, if
in that game.
Yeah, later in the game you're gonna lose one of your fingers.
Yeah.
Doing that.
See, like Telltale games, it says whoever will remember
Yes.
that. The balls.
The balls will remember this.
They'll be the ones to cut off my fucking finger.
Yeah.
Just when you least expect it,
You pissed off the ball authority. The royal ball authority.
I had to be very gentle about it.
Now, what kind of kid has like an Indian teepee in their room?
I don't know. When I was a kid, I wanted to have that shit in my room.
You just want to, would you want to go?
Take it slow. You know, with this osteoporosis, fibromyalgia, and arthritis, everything just seems so hard.
He has like a fucking crease in his jeans. This guy really is a fucking dad. His jeans are baggy too.
Jeans crease all the time.
Like Zoinks, man. Let's see what's in the fridge.
Oh, Scooby. I mean, Shaggy.
So, my name is Shaggy Mars. How are you? What is the lore of this character? Because at first now an alien has taken him over, and now he is.
It's an alien. It's an alien that watches a lot of Scooby Doo.
Yeah, man. Ever since I came to Earth, I just watched a lot of Scooby Doo.
An alternate universe where the time capsule that was sent out to space, that instead of containing beetles or whatever the fuck it contained, it has all of the Hanna-Barbera cartoons on it. And Scooby Doo just shuck.
Raggy, use the anal probe.
Oh my God, Scoob! We don't use the anal probe that fast.
Oh my God, his face looked like that one GIF with the one blonde white guy. He's just like.
Oh, yeah, I mean, like if you.
Hey, take it easy.
Oh, the children. Oh no.
Yeah, they're bad.
Oh, they're so bad.
Yeah, they're not great.
Oh. Okay, back in the day, me and my sister were like, oh, dude, this game's so
getting there.
One of them's missing a tooth.
And I think you're gonna.
I mean, I probably would too.
I probably would too if I was in this fucking game.
Exactly.
Can you please help me?
Oh yeah, this is the best one.
Please help me.
Come on, don't fuck
Walk
it
away,
up.
walk away, walk away, walk away.
No. Hold the button. Hold.
She's so like, you know,
Hold X.
understanding.
Now drop it.
No takesy backsies.
Hold on. We need a
I
double
wanted
take.
another keys.
Oh no.
What the fuck?
I love how those groceries are literally glued together.
Never mind.
Oh my God!
She got sick with this shit.
Me first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
You know, this is scene
Which one is your favorite?
You know what this scene is reminding me of?
Both of them are fucking ugly.
What does it remind you of?
It reminds me of, you know that, like, I don't, you guys see this gif around where the guy just slaps everybody?
I want to do the
Like, this one dude in this backyard party just slaps all the children. And it's like, I feel like they're about to get slapped.
Slap me first, Dad.
Slap me!
Okay, Sean. get
Right
ready.
into the fence. Just go straight. Just go straight. Never stop. Walk over their toys. We can't... Just throw him over the fence.
Just fucking yeet.
Happy birthday, son.
I just imagine like you hear cracking. Ethan's just cracking under the weight of the sun.
Glass
just
bones and paper skin.
put in a bunch of fucking cracking sounds in there. Shake the screen a little bit.
Oh. I wish you could just fall.
I wish.
Yeah.
Am I a terrible person for wanting this 10-year-old child to fall like a considerable distance?
He's not real.
No. It doesn't matter. This kid got the oiliest hair
now.
I've ever seen.
He's a shampoo.
All right, Jason,
Probably never
let's
heard of
do
the damn thing.
helicopter.
Got it. See that kid's face?
Dislocates their shoulders. They fucking die. Don't you feel so don't you like have so much empathy for these characters now? Now that you've gotten him
Don't you
dressed and
don't you
played-
feel so connected to these
Yeah,
characters?
yes, David Cage, you're doing it so right.
Yes.
Everyone else is doing it so wrong.
Big muscles.
Show us your big muscles, Dad.
Well, hang on.
Wow.
I remember when I was a kid, I always thought it was fun whenever an older person would like throw me in the pool or in the beach.
Oh, dude, I still think it's fun now.
Yeah.
It's just like, dude, throw me. It's awesome.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
This time, done.
The sacrifice. Look, that tear. That tear.
Animation started.
Mm-hmm.
Merlin.
Merlin. No, that was breakfast.
No, son. That was breakfast.
Of course it's not your fault.
Yeah, it's your fucking fault.
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
Foreshadowing, 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 foreshadowing.
Just have to happen.
What if there was like actually no drama ever happening in this game? It was just fucking slice of life bullshit.
Yeah. Well, then it'd be a very boring game.
Well, I mean,
Following these robot people.
It'd be a very creepy game.
very
Every single
creepy.
time they look in the camera, it's like they look into me.
Yeah, it's
And
just
I
like
die.
after every day they just stare into the camera for 10 minutes.
It's a mix between this game and also The Office.
Great!
Great!
Hey, champ. What's
This
your
is the
name?
bravest child I've ever seen.
Which balloon?
Yeah, he's wearing a skate shirt.
The
No
red
one likes that game.
Yeah, nobody.
Here you go.
You know, just that plug, you know.
I'm a
Oh,
killer
no.
clown. This is actually filled with my dead hopes and
For
dreams.
me. Wait for your dad, son.
Fucking
It's really crowded in
Ethan
here.
needs to wash his damn face.
I live on tips.
Oh, yeah. I'll say that this game
Look
does.
at that guy.
I will say what the game does like right in like this regard is like I feel like every parent's fear that you know they just turn around all of a sudden their child is just gone.
Yeah.
I
Like-
felt like slightly panicked.
Yeah, I mean I feel like yeah the rage for the cage is there, but at the same time like the premise at least and how it's presented in here, it's like I mean I'm not a parent,
But
But
you
I
can still,
would be-
you can still say it, I think.
huh? Oh yeah, you can just say Jason like all the fucking time. But yeah, I feel like they at least do that like they get that like that horror right.
Yeah. Whoa, you see that, like, the frame right there?
What
Frame
crap?
rate dropped a little bit.
Jason.
Oh, that's like, that's me as a child.
Jason.
Whoa, jeez, are you okay?
Oh no.
Dad, some alien touched me. Here's what happened.
Jason, you fucking idiot!
How did he die? I don't get it.
I don't know. I don't get it, cause like he's
He
lost
was
his
clearly
body.
in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He like, I don't know.
yeah. Oh, the balloon, the drama.
Yes.
Oh, it's so emotional.
It's
Lost the balloon like a life was lost.
almost like his soul.
And then suddenly it like pops and you get the fucking goddamn thing.